After creating your case in coDiagnostiX, using the same STL files from your blueprint project ensures they stay in the same coordinate system, making the alignment step straightforward later on. Once you finish your project in Smilecloud, simply export the wax-up. In this case, for example, select tooth 22 from the Design section. You can also export other structures, like the CBCT segmentation or the gingiva file. Click on Download button. Unzip the folder and select your design file. In coDiagnostiX, choose Import Model Scan from the upper panel, then click Load Model Scan. Locate and select the exported design. Finally, select Copy Alignment to keep Smilecloud's planned position. Click Next and then Finish. The wax-up now becomes the reference for prosthetically driven implant placement, ensuring the implants are positioned to optimally support the final restorations.